Bakit H design? Meron po kasing options na X pipe at saka H pipe. I always use sa Mustang V8 yung H kasi it produces a really masculine rumble sound. So si X pipe kasi medyo high pitch eh. Normally pag mga gantong Mustang gusto nila yung rumble sound na binibigay ng V8. So I will do H pipe dito.
I love crime like Azealia Banks. Catch me if you can, yeah, Tom Hanks. Parts are military, bringing through tanks, yeah. Levels, yeah, going up in the ranks. Greatness only, giving the thanks. It's London, baby, we got the bands. We go hard, they don't understand. You know how it goes, we stick to the plan. Disruptive, yeah, this the gang. Disruptive, yeah, this the plan. Disruptive, yeah, this the gang. Disruptive, yeah, this the plan. Disruptive, yeah, this the gang. Disruptive, yeah, this the plan. Disruptive, yeah.
Good morning sa mga followers ng Nitro Miss Garage. It's Kuya Ron again dito sa shop natin sa Cavite. Nakita niyo yung video kanina, meron tayong dumating na Mustang GT 5.0. Itong client natin ito is a returning client. Nagawan ko ng exhaust yung dati niyang kotse and then he's happy with it. So, nag-usap kami. Yung dati kasing ginawa ko sa sasakyan niya, all out yun eh. Pero ito, sabi niya, ang plano niya, hindi naman dalhin yung kotse doon kasi nga okay na naman sa V8 engine. Pagka-cutback, hindi na ho tayo nagtatanggal ng mga catalytics. So, what I do sa Mustang normally is I remove this resonator. Gagawa na po kami ng tubo rito pero I use H design. Normally din, pagka mga V8 engine, I use bigger pipes. I will use 3 inches. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng mga V-band clamps. Yun na yung gagamitin ko rito para mag-connect yung middle section ng exhaust tapos yung axle box area niya. For this car, matagal nintay ni Bossing to. Kaka-restock ko lang ng Borla Attack. So, magkakaroon ako ng Borla Attack dito. At dalawa, it will give a really deep rumble sound para sa kotse na to. Quad tips na Borla. So, abangan natin yung tapos ito and then yung proseso. Panoorin natin.
Open your eyes, it won't make no difference this time. It's not real, it's all in the mind. You say you don't have none, but you want mine. It gets deep and it hurts inside. Hurts inside. Yeah, hurts inside.